41.
41.
Where is?
Orientasi.
Where is the Tourist Information Office?
Di mana letak Departemen Perhubungan?
Do you have a city map for me?
Apakah Anda punya peta untuk saya?
Can one reserve a room here?
Apakah di sini bisa memesan kamar hotel?
Where is the old city?
Di mana kota tuanya?
Where is the cathedral?
Di mana katedralnya?
Where is the museum?
Di mana ada museum?
Where can one buy stamps?
Di mana bisa membeli perangko?
Where can one buy flowers?
Di mana bisa membeli bunga?
Where can one buy tickets?
Di mana bisa membeli tiket?
Where is the harbor?
Di mana pelabuhan?
Where is the market?
Di mana ada pasar?
Where is the castle?
Di mana ada istana?
When does the tour begin?
Kapan acaranya dimulai?
When does the tour end?
Kapan acaranya berakhir?
How long is the tour?
Berapa lama acaranya?
I would like a guide who speaks German.
Saya ingin pemandu wisata yang berbahasa Jerman.
I would like a guide who speaks Italian.
Saya ingin pemandu wisata yang berbahasa Italia.
I would like a guide who speaks French.
Saya ingin pemandu wisata yang berbahasa Perancis.
42.
42.
City tour.
Berkeliling kota.
Is the market open on Sundays?
Apakah pasar buka pada hari Minggu?
Is the fair open on Mondays?
Apakah pameran buka pada hari Senin?
Is the exhibition open on Tuesdays?
Apakah pameran buka pada hari Selasa?
Is the zoo open on Wednesdays?
Apakah kebun binatang buka pada hari Rabu?
Is the museum open on Thursdays?
Apakah museum buka pada hari Kamis?
Is the gallery open on Fridays?
Apakah galeri buka pada hari Jumat?
Can one take photographs?
Apakah boleh mengambil foto?
Does one have to pay an entrance fee?
Apakah harus membayar biaya masuk?
How much is the entrance fee?
Berapa harga tiket masuknya?
Is there a discount for groups?
Apakah ada potongan harga untuk grup?
Is there a discount for children?
Apakah ada potongan harga untuk anak-anak?
Is there a discount for students?
Apakah ada potongan harga untuk pelajar?
What building is that?
Bangunan apakah ini?
How old is the building?
Seberapa tua bangunan ini?
Who built the building?
Siapa yang membangun bangunan ini?
I'm interested in architecture.
Saya tertarik pada arsitektur.
I'm interested in art.
Saya tertarik pada kesenian.
I'm interested in paintings.
Saya tertarik pada seni lukis.
43.
43.
At the zoo.
Di kebun binatang.
The zoo is there.
Di sana ada kebun binatang.
The giraffes are there.
Di sana ada jerapah.
Where are the bears?
Di mana ada beruang?
Where are the elephants?
Di mana ada gajah?
Where are the snakes?
Di mana ada ular?
Where are the lions?
Di mana ada singa?
I have a camera.
Saya punya peralatan untuk memotret.
I also have a video camera.
Saya juga punya sebuah kamera film.
Where can I find a battery?
Di mana baterainya?
Where are the penguins?
Di mana ada pinguin?
Where are the kangaroos?
Di mana ada kanguru?
Where are the rhinos?
Di mana ada badak?
Where is the restroom?
Di mana ada kamar kecil?
There is a cafe over there.
Di sana ada kafetaria.
There is a restaurant over there.
Di sana ada restoran.
Where are the camels?
Di mana ada unta?
Where are the gorillas and the zebras?
Di mana ada gorila dan kuda zebra?
Where are the tigers and the crocodiles?
Di mana ada harimau dan buaya?
44.
44.
Going out in the evening.
Keluar pada malam hari.
Is there a disco here?
Apakah ada diskotek di sini?
Is there a nightclub here?
Apakah ada klub malam di sini?
Is there a pub here?
Apakah ada bar di sini?
What's playing at the theater this evening?
Ada pertunjukan apa di teater malam ini?
What's playing at the movies this evening?
Ada film apa di bioskop malam ini?
What's on TV this evening?
Ada acara apa di televisi malam ini?
Are tickets for the theater still available?
Apa masih ada tiket untuk teater?
Are tickets for the movies still available?
Apa masih ada tiket untuk bioskop?
Are tickets for the soccer game still available?
Apa masih ada tiket untuk pertandingan bola?
I want to sit at the back.
Saya ingin duduk paling belakang.
I want to sit somewhere in the middle.
Saya ingin duduk di tengah.
I want to sit at the front.
Saya ingin duduk paling depan.
Could you recommend something?
Apakah Anda dapat memberi saran kepada saya?
When does the show begin?
Kapan mulai pertunjukannya?
Can you get me a ticket?
Dapatkah Anda mendapatkan tiket untuk saya?
Is there a golf course nearby?
Apakah di dekat sini ada lapangan golf?
Is there a tennis court nearby?
Apakah di dekat sini ada lapangan tenis?
Is there an indoor swimming pool nearby?
Apakah di dekat sini ada kolam renang di dalam ruangan?
45.
45.
At the cinema.
Di bioskop.
We want to go to the cinema.
Kami ingin pergi ke bioskop.
A good film is playing today.
Hari ini sedang diputar film yang bagus.
The film is brand new.
Filmnya masih sangat baru.
Where is the cash register?
Di mana meja kasir?
Are seats still available?
Apakah masih ada tempat kosong?
How much are the admission tickets?
Berapa harga tiket masuknya?
When does the show begin?
Kapan mulainya?
How long is the film?
Berapa lama filmnya?
Can one reserve tickets?
Apakah tiketnya sudah dapat dipesan?
I want to sit at the back.
Saya ingin duduk di belakang.
I want to sit at the front.
Saya ingin duduk di depan.
I want to sit in the middle.
Saya ingin duduk di tengah.
The film was exciting.
Filmnya menegangkan.
The film was not boring.
Filmnya tidak membosankan.
But the book on which the film was based was better.
Tapi bukunya lebih bagus dibanding filmnya.
How was the music?
Bagaimana musiknya?
How were the actors?
Bagaimana aktornya?
Were there English subtitles?
Apakah ada terjemahan dalam bahasa Inggris?